Well, all that and more on the show with me, Sonali Chanda. Thanks so much for joining us. But first, our top story. It's been another dramatic day in Indian hockey. After the men, it's now the women's national team that is protesting the non-payment of their dues. Hockey India very reluctantly released a partial payment today amounting to 50,000 rupees per head. But the women's team has snubbed that offer, saying they want all their dues cleared. The women's team say they didn't join the men's protest because they were assured that they would not be shortchanged.
No boycott, no suspended camp, no refusal to practice. Just black armbands as a silent and uncomfortable reminder of the fact that the women's team is owed money since April 2008.
We want Hockey India to treat men, women equally, and each player should be given their dues without asking. We are not beggars.
The women's team says it's owed rupees 2.75 lakh per player for their performances in the last year, no less stellar than the men's team. They qualified for the World Cup with a silver at the Asia Cup and then won gold at the inaugural Champions Challenge in Russia.
तो सिर्फ हमारा ही फर्ज नहीं बनता कि हम लोग हिंदुस्तान के लिए खेलते रहें बिना इंसेंटिव, बिना कोई मैच फीस और कुछ ड्यूज हमें ना दिए, कुछ पे नहीं किया जा रहा है.
A couple of hours into the protest, the first ray of light trickled in with Madhya Pradesh government promising help to the hockey players. And that perhaps galvanized Hockey India to cough up some of their own money, though not admitting that there was a problem.
They have not protested anywhere. I spoke to them. They were not protesting. They said, अगर हमको नहीं देते हमें दुख होता है. क्यों नहीं होगा? वो तो सही बात है. पर उन्हें कोई protest नहीं किया. वो सिर्फ black badge लगा दिया कि भी हमारी भी कोई सुन ले. तो अच्छी बात है.
Whatever the interim president of Hockey India thought of the armbands, she released 50,000 rupees per player with the promise of a similar amount in the near future. But the team has refused to take the money and the protest continues.
जो इंसेंटिव जो ड्यूज मेंस को दिए गए हैं उसी हिसाब से हमें भुगतान किया जाए, लेकिन ऐसा नहीं हुआ. और जैसे मैंने आपसे पहले ही बात किया था कि हमारी लड़कियां हर्ट हुई हैं कहीं ना कहीं क्योंकि उन्हें रिकॉग्नाइज नहीं किया गया. और अब जो 50,000 की बात हुई है वो आधा अमाउंट भी नहीं है.
Their protest, a telling moment in the history of the Indian sports. Shabbily treated, not paid their dues, and worse, discriminated on basis of the gender. For the players, it's now or never to stand up and to fight for their rights.
With Rubina Khan Shapu in Bhopal and Rika Roy in New Delhi, Anusya Mathur for NDTV.
Tuba.com